I recently purchased a 12.9-inch iPad pencil as well, and I opted to get the keyboard folio case. It's pretty nice. I like it. I love the keyboard integration and everything, although it doesn't provide a lot of protection, which I knew, but it also doesn't fold out all the way so that, or flip around to the back, so that you could just use the iPad itself without dealing with the keyboard. So then I started looking for a case that I could easily get the iPad in and out of, but would be protective at the same time. So I found this case, and SEYMAC, S-E-Y-M-A-C, SEYMAC case. And you know, it's super helpful when there's videos to show how something actually functions. And I saw a couple videos of people easily removing the front section of the case, peeling back the rubber, sliding in the iPad, clipping the case back on. And it also holds the Apple Pencil, which I wanted as well. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got. Okay, so we get like a shoulder or around your neck strap, and it comes with, looks like a little tool maybe to peel back the rubber, and then a little tool to feed the ends of the lanyard through. And I've seen that done online as well. So here's the top section. Here's the case, and this actually has it fed through already, which is interesting. But it looks like what we can do is, here's some lanyard loops as well. That might be a good place for this to go, as it hangs down and you can pull it up portrait wise, or if it would hang from these two, if it was hanging off your shoulder, your neck this way, you would flip it up and use it in this direction. And as I'm looking at this, it appears I maybe somehow got two covers, or maybe they send two covers just in case. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and, oh, nope, that's not the cover. Okay, let's see how we can get this guy open then. Maybe we look at the directions. Yep, peel it back. All right, let's start up here. So this is going to be not the easiest to get out. Okay, so let's do this. Let's use our brains. It actually comes with a tool. Could actually read the directions too, but I never like to do that. I always like to figure things out. All right. So let's take a look at this little tool. No, not quite. Oh, yeah, actually, right on the side. Oh, so easy. Right on that side. And there we go. Probably get these with my fingers now. Or not. Why would the last one be so hard? There we go. Now, I did not expect a cover. There's no cover on this one. So maybe that's what our options are here. Okay. Probably have a cover, no cover option. Oh, look at that. And they're happy. Okay, a little bit of feedback. Something to wipe down the iPad with. Maybe something to wipe this down with too. Doesn't scratch up your iPad. All right. So, take off the case. Take off the silicone bumpers from the corners. If you don't use the shoulder strap, please skip this step. Thread the string through the openings, tie a knot, buckle up. Place the tablet on the bottom of the shell. Ensure not to be upside down. Put the bumpers back in the corners. Make sure the edges and cutouts are in place. Tear the blue film back on the screen protector. Take the front frame back on. Take the front frame back on. Press along the edges until all snaps are firmly in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and take care of that now. I am actually going to opt for the one that doesn't have the screen. I kind of don't, I'm not really that interested in having a screen. There's a blue film on here, so this isn't the color of the screen protector. Okay, so I'm going to wait on that. We'll keep that to the side, and I'm going to end up using this one. All right, so let's grab our iPad. Here is our connector down here, so that's going to be our bottom. And so I'm going to peel back the rubber up along the top. That looks like, yep, okay, that comes out. And I'll just go a little bit on the side. Okay. Now, let's pull out our iPad. Sure we got the right side. Here's our charging port and our speakers. So it's going to go down here like so. And actually I think it's going to go a little more over to, so because the pencil is going to go here, we're going to seat it in and to the left. It's going to be snug across this side here. All right, let's get our rubber back over. So there's a little, here's the lock button, and basically it's a long piece of rubber, so make sure that feeds into its spot there at the top. All right, everything's looking good there. Take our frame here. Guess it's in. Doesn't feel like the top really snapped much, but it doesn't come out easy, so that's good. Hope this one is. Nope. Oh, okay. Looks like. So this probably isn't easier than any other case that the iPad would go into. But it looked like this was not properly fit. There we go. Something's still a little off. There we go. Okay, I think I got it. I think it's where it needs to be. Okay, that took a little longer than I thought. All right, so I'm probably gonna get rid of this. Again, it's gonna act like a handle, but there's the little palm holder here. And then it's supposed to rotate and locks into position, so that's pretty good. All right, then our pencil in here, and it should, yep, if it's placed right, it's gonna give us the little charging notification. And then on the bottom is the pencil, so if you just put your fingers through, raises the pencil up so you can grab it. Yep, pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm going to use it without the screen protector, but maybe I'll try putting that on and see how it goes and go from there. All right. I also forgot to mention It has a stand. There's a little finger lock right there, so it locks into place, and then push that so that it'll collapse. Looks like it only has one height position. Make sure this is pulled up out of the way. And you can also turn it this way. Press that, collapses down. Oh, and also a spot for a pencil back here.